Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool 108-inch boneless sofa with ottoman that came packaged in 4 separate boxes, and everything is, solid as a rock. They do provide you with this, which is really interesting. Most of these provide you with a razor. This one provides you with a little, a little dragon tooth or something to open this up, but actually it works surprisingly well. This will help keep from opening this up, but also at the same time keep you from cutting the sofa, which I actually really like. So that actually makes this very simple to do. Look at that. So it's just going to open that up. Now this does have pillows. This is a really nice fabric. These types of sofas typically want to let them sit once they are actually completely unfurled for a good 72 hours. So what we're going to do is get this thing completely undone and show you how it looks. Now I said 108 inches because with the 2 main pieces in the ottoman it is. They actually sent a 6-seater that included this bonus 30-inch piece here, so it actually makes this one 138 inches long, which is absolutely enormous. This is how it looks like directly out of that shrink wrap, and I mean it already started to plump when you cook it. You put it out here, all the fabric is fluffing up very nicely, and these cushions are starting to become more firm. These will start to plump up as well. So I'm going to give it the full 72 hours because I really want to give this its honest shout out to this thing because it's already looking great. Loving the color, loving the fabric because it's just about as soft as a rabbit. Let's go ahead and give it a little more time and we'll show you the finished product. Okay, it's been the full 72 hours. We've got this thing up and plumped, and let me tell you, it's firm but very comfortable, and this corduroy fabric is absolutely fantastic. It is very smooth yet very comfortable, and it's not pilling off. There's not like pieces like flying off of it at all. And each piece of this lovely sofa, which was super easy to assemble, actually has nice grippers on the bottom, including this ottoman, so if you're putting this on a different floor, it will help grip the floor. And they also have zippers, so if you need to remove the cover, you can easily do that. Now, a couple of notable features that I like. One of them is the fact that it does have these cup holders on the side that's going to be able to hold cups. And then, of course, they can be removed if you have to pull them out and wash them. They slide right back in, which is great. You do have pockets on the side if you're needing to put things like magazines or books, things like that. But one feature I haven't seen that actually is kind of cool on this one, it actually has a little tiny hidden pocket up front. That actually allows, if you have TV remotes or things like that, or cell phones, whatever, you can tuck them in there. That way you've got them where you can easily get to those and they'll be staying nice and put as far as that goes. This entire sofa comes in a variety of colors. This is kind of an olive green color here. And it actually can hold up to 1,500 pounds, so it actually holds quite a bit. And the seat depth on this is also extremely nice. It's about 30-inch seat depth on this, which, me being about 6'2", fits me very well as far as the size-wise goes. Plenty of throw pillows, and these throw pillows, I mean, they turned out really nice. They came out of the box flat, but each one of them is plumped up really nice, and you get a lot of pillows across the back, extra ones for the sides, so that way your entire family can stay comfortable. This would make a great addition to anyone's home.